Last week in our community session, I heard the same line 7 times from 7 different people.
Not in a good situation in terms of my profession because right now I am out of my organization.
So is this a layoff? 5 months, okay.
Because it was a kind of indirect layoff.
I was into US IT recruitments for 10 years, and from 2022, I was laid off.
I'm currently on bench from last 4 months. I'm on bench. Yeah, I'm part of IT industry.
Go ahead.
Vishal, even I got laid off 7 months back.
AI के चलते जॉब्स जा रहे हैं. One person just got laid off. Someone is sitting on bench from last 3 months and another one is on PIP. One of them is 7 months without a job. Today, we're gonna have a straight talk. AI layoffs versus AI leverage. And my 3P formula: problem, pattern and plan. No heavy tech, only real stories and my 21-day action map. So let's begin by identifying the problem. Imagine this is a Zoom call called business update, and in next 20 minutes your business access and your entire workflow is taken away.
It's a business review, and let me see who all are there. Yes, all my friends are there. Manmohan is there, Aditya is there. Okay, now the boss is also here. Okay, let's hear. So the business update and review. What? Fired?
That's what happened in Oracle. Another side of the story: bench for weeks. Project aa jayega, but nothing happens for weeks. PIP cases, target shifts, documentation increases, and pressure rises to the top of the mountain. And many of you told me 200 plus applications, Vishal, every week, but not even a single interview callback. The fear is simple: AI is here. Are we obsolete? Reality: AI just didn't automate tasks, it compressed entire layers of work. Handoffs, status updates, low leverage coordination. But the same AI can amplify your value if you decide to use it right. Moving on to our second P after problem is pattern. No jargon, just research. In our community plus market data, there are 3 obvious patterns which I want to talk about. Number 1, the visibility trap. You do the work, but your impact is not at all visible where the decisions are made. In any layoff, perception beats effort. Number 2, the automation trap. Repetitive coordination tasks are the ones that are hit first. Want to find out the safe space? Roles that save time, improve quality and increase the revenue. You can measure it and show it. Number 3, the biggest, the loyalty trap. Same company, same title from last 4 to 7 long years. Loyalty is good, but market rewards adaptability, especially when AI, cloud and data stacks change fast. So bottom line, outcome is greater than activity. Proof is bigger than pedigree. Even though you are from IIT, IIMs or no, does not matter. The clearer you show time saved, quality up and revenue increased, the safer you are. Now coming to P3, which is plan. After we understood the problem, then P2 was our pattern, and now P3, which is plan, which is gonna come to you in form of a 21-day playbook. And the formula is very simple, called AIM. A-I-M. A stands for automate, I stands for impress, M stands for monetize your impact. And you have to implement it just for 30 to 40 minutes a day for your next 21 days. Week 1, automate, days 1 to 7. Goal, is very simple. Pick one repetitive task and you have to save 20 to 30 minutes on that. Here is how. Examples. We have to pick up weekly reports, test cases, log cleanup, status deck. Now you have to use safe assists, simple macros, formulas, or LLM models like ChatGPT, Claude, or Perplexity to simplify things. No sensitive data. Measure. Before 45 minutes and now 20 minutes. Errors down. Email line. Copy paste. I tried a small assist on task. Saved 25 minutes this week. I will document the steps so that team can reuse. Attaching a 90-second demo as well. So that completes your week 1 to 7 days. Let's move to week 2, days 8 to 14. The goal is very simple here. Let's make the win visible. Here is how. Create a one slide before, after. Time, quality, repeatability. 90-second screen record. Redact anything sensitive. Meeting, talk, track. Tiny pilot, clear metrics. If stable for 2 sprints, I will templatize for the team. Week 3, monetize your impact. Days 15 to 21. The goal is simple here. Convert proof into career assets. Time to update CV, LinkedIn using PAR formula. Problem, action, result. Save external share using generic LinkedIn post. We saved X minutes from Y task. Non-confidential steps here. And your LinkedIn post is ready. Now the final step, daily outreach cadence. 10 targeted connects, 5 tailored applications, 2 value DMs. Share your one slide win. Plus offer a free 10-minute walkthrough. If you are laid off or on bench or on PIP. Lock 2 to 3 references who can vouch for your specific outcomes. Build a proof folder. Dashboards blurred. Before, after, and client notes. Weekly reflection. I propose a Sunday. Which DM or application bought me the callbacks? Double down on that. One simple line on your mindset. Daily small progress is equal to sahi direction. AI is just a tool, not a threat. Now, quick talk tracks, just copy paste. Proposing a 2-week assist pilot leading to success. 30% time saved on task. Fallback SOP also ready. Goal is not speed only, it's quality plus repeatability. If results hold 2 sprints, I will package a template for them. AI layoffs are real. AI leverage is also real. Your aim every 2 to 3 weeks, one win, and you need to highlight it. Your aim every 2 to 3 weeks, ship one visible win. Start the AIM playbook immediately. Automate, impress, and monetize your impact. Comment AIM and I will share the 21-day ready-made checklist. Next video, if you are laid off and you have a question whether notice pay or swearance or can I get both, on your screen and you can watch it. If this helped, I invite you to subscribe this channel and send the link to your friends, because every subscription to this channel motivates us and inspires us to bring in new content that connects to your problems and gives you the solutions. We will definitely win this systematically.